So hey guys, how's it going? I'm Keithan and today I'll be telling you a foolproof method of how to make $100 every single day from YouTube and mostly hosting site. So if you want to make money from home and learn the best passive income strategy of 2019, then look no further than this video. Today I break down how to make a full-time income from home online and no website and zero money to start. It begins and ends with hosting. So hosting service that all website needs and millions of new websites are popping every single day. The trick is how to get people with new websites sign up for hosting that you are promoting. So for example, there are many hosting websites and the most familiar hosting websites are Bluehost and HostGator. So Bluehost gives $65 if someone sign up through your affiliate link. So how does it work? So let's go to Bluehost. So just type Bluehost and when you go to Bluehost and you scroll all the way down, or you have something called as affiliates here. So here it is. Refer visitors to Bluehost and earn $65 for each qualified sign up. So sign up and you will get an affiliate link. Keep the affiliate link safe. And when you go to YouTube, just type how to make a website. There are n number of videos you can just copy, or how to make a WordPress website, how to make a Wix website, how to create a website, free hosting and domain, new Wix website. So you just make a video of how to create a website, and what happens is, so let's go with this one. So what happens is when you see it, I don't understand what this is.
Hey, what's
This
up,
is the
guys, and
Bluehost
welcome to
affiliate link
another
of this
video.
particular person. He has got 5,000 views, and out of 5,000 views, at least 2 to 3 people, if they had used his affiliate link, would have gotten more than $100. So that's about it, guys. Make a video about how to create a website and add your affiliate link in the description, and there you go. And Bluehost is not the only hosting service that's gonna give you an affiliate option. There's HostGator, which provides 50 to 125, and iPage, and all the way to Liquid Web, which gives you 7,000. So that's about it, guys. All the best.